Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Peder and I like to look at everyday tech for everyday purposes and everyday people. I've just picked up this Bluetooth mouse because the Tab S11 Ultra comes with a keyboard case but doesn't have a trackpad on it. Really annoying. Apparently one's coming next year, more rumoured to be more like the Apple Magic keyboard, but why is it coming out months after the tablet? I don't know. Samsung, that's not okay. That's a bad move. So I'm not going to buy another keyboard with a trackpad case. So I thought might as well buy a mouse to chuck in my bag. And this one looked small. It was cheap. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description below, so check that out. It will be an affiliate link that does help out the channel. Doesn't cost you anything extra. So if you could use that link, I would appreciate it. Muchas gracias. Let's take a look. Love that. Plastic free. And so it was just hung up like this, wasn't wrapped in anything, which is always nice. As much as I love technology and I do like to buy new things all the time, I do try and be as eco-friendly as possible. God damn it. Well, this isn't getting returned, so let's just rip that. Pull that open. Zero plastic. So far, lives up to its name. It's just a loose mouse, nothing wrapped around it. A little quick start guide there as well. So this is a silent touch mode wireless mouse. A silent touch. Okay. So it's pretty bland looking. Plain black, 2 buttons, metal scroll wheel. It's all plastic, very light. On and off button and a sync button at the back. That is slightly rubberized by the feel of it. Yep. But not very rubbery. And then a little S branding on the front there. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So I'm going to turn this on, have a little look, compare it to my tablet and see how we get on. Okay, so with the mouse, looking all around it as you've just seen, doesn't look anywhere obvious for the battery. And then if you pry this open, the top just lifts up, has magnetic fixing, and just lifts straight off the top. Then you've got the battery in there. Battery is already pre-installed, a little bit of paper. Again, no plastic, it's good. And then that just slots back on. There we go, good to go. So as you've seen, it isn't rechargeable, which may bother some people. You could always buy rechargeable batteries if that's the case. Got a little green light on there now, and that is blinking. So let's set this, turn Bluetooth controls on my tablet. There's a closer look at the mouse there. And I've got decks. Oh, sorry, I haven't. I've got my tablet set up, ready to go. Let me turn that off because it's, there we go. So as you can see, quite responsive. It is Bluetooth 5.0. I can scroll through there with the scroll wheel. Nice. Can pull downs off in the corners for notifications and things, which is good. Then we want. So with decks, we just click or tap, click on that. Welcome to the new decks. And that's it. We're already straight in decks. So this is not this is One UI 7 decks, not One UI 8 decks. But as you can see there, you still got all the controls on the bottom. Got the extra apps. Little apps on there. We can just open them up. And they open up as little windows. Requires an update. Not been used in a while. Multi-desktop mode. But you can change the layout on here and have it different than what you have on. You can have it different than you can have it on the tablet mode. So you can change like the widgets and things like that. You can change back and forth as well between the new decks and the classic decks. So classic decks, I do actually prefer. I'm just going to go. So we go. We've got decks, got the mouse there. So you have my files opened up. So you can minimize different sizes. You can pin things. This down here is the taskbar, not a dock. that's one of the big differences between the new decks and old decks. But yeah, sticking to talking about decks too much, I'm going to talk about the mouse. It connected really easy, works really well on a hard surface here, as you can tell, and you can use it for multi-control as well. I don't know if you can hear that, but so when it says silent mouse, that's clicking the button. There's no loud click, 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 which is nice. The scroll wheel does click as well. That's good. Let's open that back up. So on there, it's like a double click. But yeah, works pretty well. Pretty happy with it. Nice little unboxing. It fits in the hand fairly well. Obviously, standing up this position, starting to get a bit of ache around my wrist. But obviously, sat down would be different. So thank you for watching. As if you want to check this mouse out, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you.